Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video, we'll write a Java program to find maximum and minimum elements in an array. So what we'll do is we'll try to take the input from the console, where we'll take the size of the array and the elements which we are going to store in that array, and finally we are going to find maximum and minimum elements in an array. So assume that I have taken an array of size 5 and I have taken the elements like 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. In this array, what we need to do? We need to find out maximum and minimum. So the output should be maximum is equals to 50 and minimum equal to 10. Okay. So maximum is what? 50 and minimum is equals to 10. So out of this array, how do you find out? So let's take two variables, okay, two temporary variables like saying min, comma, max, and we will initialize these values with, okay, a of 0, that is first element in an array. What we'll do? We'll initialize this two variables with first element in an array, okay. So array of 0. So what is array of 0 here? 10. So array max equal to array of 0, which is equal to 10. So now what we are going to do is we are going to traverse to this array two times, one for finding the maximum element and one for finding the minimum element. So first we'll find out how do we find out minimum element. Okay. So first what we will do is we'll traverse this array. What is the first element? 10. Okay. So minimum 10 is less than 10. Okay, false. First, what is the condition we need to check to find out the minimum? Okay, if any element is less than minimum variable, we call it as a minimum. Okay, since we have initialized it with the 10, already 10 is less than 10. False. So nothing we are going to do. So minimum will be 10 only. And then next element is 20 less than 10. False. So minimum will be 10 only. Next 30 less than 10. Minimum will be 10 only. And then false. 40 less than 10, okay, minimum will be 10 only. So 50 less than 10, so minimum will be 10 only. So if any value is less than 10, okay, in that case what we will do? We'll update minimum with the value. But in this case, since we don't have any other value less than this, okay, we are getting minimum as 10. Suppose if we have a value like 6 here, okay. Now we'll check 6 is less than 10. True. Now what we should do? We'll update minimum equal to 6. You got right? So what we are trying to do? We'll take each and every value in this array and we'll compare it with the minimum. Minimum is nothing but it will be initialized with the first. If the value in array is less than minimum, we'll initialize that value with minimum. Okay. Similarly, what we'll do? We'll maximum value. We'll take maximum value equal to a of 0, which is 10. We'll iterate each value in the array, and if the value is greater, we'll initialize max equal to 10. Okay. So first 10 is, okay, what maximum value is 10. 10 is greater than 10, false. Next we'll take next element 20. 20 is greater than 10, true. So initialize maximum with 20. Now next element. What is the next element? 30. 30 is greater than max. 30 is greater than 20, true. What we will do? We'll update here with 30. Next value is what? 40. And check whether this 40 is greater than 30. Yes. Update the maximum value with 40. And then 50. 50 is greater than 40. True. Update maximum value with 50. And the next value is what? 6. 6 is greater than max? No. So finally we have minimum value equal to 6 and maximum value equal to 50. You got right? So how do we, let's write, you hope you understand the logic. Let's write the program. I have created a class called maximum in array. Now what we'll be doing is create a main method. And now what we are going to do? First, what we'll do is we'll take the input element from array and size as well as the input elements, and finally we'll print the values in the, we'll print the maximum and minimum value. So let's say int n comma maximum comma minimum. And now what we are going to do? Let's create a scanner object. scan equal to new scanner of system.in. Okay, just make this SS capital, and we have created the scanner object. And now what we are going to do after the scanner object, n equal to sc.nextInt. So here system.out.println, enter the number of elements in an array. Okay, and now what we are going to do, we got the size, and then first create an array, int a equal to new int of n dot new int of n. N is nothing but size of the array. So you are taking the number of n elements and we are putting this n here, okay, which will create that array with the given size. Now what we need to do, enter the elements of an array. Just say sysout, enter the elements of array. So now enter the elements. Just how do we enter? Just take one loop for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So a of I equal to sc dot nextInt. Okay, we are taking the value into a of I. So next what we are going to do, max equal to a of 0, and then min equal to a of 0. Why are we taking this? So as I told you, to find out the maximum minimum, we'll initialize the maximum variable with a of 0 and minimum also with a of 0. So and then what we are going to do, we are going to write the first we'll write the maximum logic. So maximum logic, so for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, if a of I is greater than max, if a of I is greater than max, max equal to a of I. And now again next one more thing. For int a of I equal to 0, I less than I plus plus, if a of I is less than min, then we need to update minimum with a of I. Okay, so what we are doing, we are traversing through the array and comparing each and every element with max. If the given value, if the array element is greater than max, update maximum equal to a of I. So here compare each and every element in array with max. If it's greater, update max value. Maintain array with min. If it is less than, update minimum value. So this is the logic. So you got right what we are doing. First we are taking the number of elements we need to enter into an array, and we are creating the array with that size, and then we are iterating through this array for taking the input, and we are taking the input here. First we are initializing the maximum variable with a of 0 and minimum equal to a of 0. Let's run the program and see the output. So enter the number of elements in an array and enter the elements 10, 20, 30, 40 and then 50. Okay, fine. Finally I need to print maximum and minimum. So that is the reason, since I am not printing anything, we are not getting any output. Let's say system.out.println maximum value equal to max, and then minimum value equal to min. Let's run the program and send the output. So maximum value, enter the number of elements in an array, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So maximum value is 50 and minimum value is 10. So this is how the program looks for taking the input and initializing with the max and comparing logic to find out maximum and min, and finally print maximum and min. So hope you got right. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In the description I will be giving you a Telegram link. If you are interested, you can join that group for all my updates on Java. Okay, and my channel is very useful for preparing for the interviews. Thank you.